Hi friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on how to do masking of column values with special characters. So why we are going for masking? So sometimes there are some secret information and some sensitive information company related to their products and their services. At the time, the company doesn't want to disclose all these values to others. At the time of the generating the reports, they used to mask the required values with special characters and then send those reports to the others. So I have one table. It is the name of the table is test. It contains pawn and mail details are there. So if you go for pawn, so pawn what the structure of the pawn is common for all. Combination of alphanumeric characters. The length of the pawn is the 10 and the first 5 characters are the alphabets followed by 4 digits and at the end it's with one alphabet. This is the structure of the pawn and it is common for all. Coming to mail ID, it differs from one to other. The username differs and uh, domain name also it differs. At the same time, the length of the mail is not restricted to like what we said discussed in PAN. It differs. So here I want to mask the first 5 characters in PAN and from till at symbol I want to mask the mail ID. So how to do this? I will show in this demo. So this is my test table. Now I'm writing the query mail. First, I am taking the mail. I am using the left function to get the username. Left will take the two parameters. One is expression and integer. Here I am taking the integer as I am searching for here for at symbol. At symbol from um, mail expression. So I am writing mail here. And if you execute this one, you will get ABC at XYZ at. So I want to replace with special characters. For that I am taking the another function replace. This is also a string function. Replace mail is the expression. Now I am replacing it with special characters. Here I am using as um, triple X and I am mentioning here alias name with masked mail. So if you run this query, so you will get ABC at till at everything is masked with the prescribed value, that is triple X. If you want to change it to hash, it will mask like that. So this is uh, this is how the masking will happen. So here in this query, first I will take the left function to get the username. Left will take the two parameters, mail and the integer. Integer here I am taking it by using the char index. I am searching for here position of the at symbol in mail. So position of the at symbol in the mail. And so after executing same query, you will extract till at the username. Now I want to replace the whole this thing with triple X. So if you want to, you can doubt there is um, characters are there username. At the time, it will even though it is number of characters is more, it will replace with just triple characters. If you want to mention two more characters and execute this, so it will appear like this. So this is how the masking will happen at the time of the masking the mail. Now I am showing the same logic here for pawn. I am asking the pawn value here, pawn, and again I am taking the left symbol. So pawn it is very easy because mm, first five characters are purely related to pawn. Here we need not go for char index to search. So here I am searching the pawn, left pawn with five. Five means five digits. Five means first five characters. So I'm taking. If you run this one so far, so you will get A B C D E exactly. Now I am go for here again for replace. Replace, replace pawn. Replace will take three arguments. Pawn, and I want to replace with to whom you want to replace. I want to replace with special characters, three special characters, and the alias name is masked masked pair. So if you execute this, so this is how the pawn number of first five digits is masked with our special characters. Okay. So here ABCDE masked with three characters, three triples. So if you want to a number of characters you will take. Even if you want to make it simple one character also you can mask the entire five digits, entire five characters. Okay. This is how you need to do masking in SQL by using a left characters replace characters, replace string function. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.